In today's video, we've got 7 fantastic side gigs you can work on from the cozy confines of your home, and some of them might even replace your regular 9-to-5 job. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Now, this first side hustle is going to be pretty small compared to some of the others on the list, but it's worth putting on the list because anybody can do it and it's an easy way to make money. The first side hustle on this list is a website called rev.com. Rev is essentially an online marketplace for remote work. It offers transcription services, subtitling, and translation tasks. Here's how it works. You sign up as a freelancer on their website, enter your details, pick your preferred tasks, and voila! You're in the game. It's worth noting that on Rev, your earning potential gradually increases with your experience on the platform. So don't expect to rake in hundreds of dollars right away. But over time, dedicated freelancers can pull in several $100s a day. On our money scale, this one gets a modest 3 out of 10. Moving on to the side hustle number 2. Get Around. This gem allows you to turn your underused car into a sweet passive income source. With the remote work revolution and the reduced need for your wheels, your vehicle might be feeling lonely. Platforms like GetAround and Turo let you rent out your car. To kick off your GetAround adventure, hop onto their website or snag their app. You'll provide the necessary details about your vehicle. But hold the brakes! Not all cars make the cut. GetAround typically accepts cars from the 2007 model year or newer. So that vintage 1998 Honda Accord in your driveway may not get the green light, but a 2007 model will. Turo has similar criteria. They accept cars up to 25 years old, with a few special considerations for vehicles older than 12 years but less than 25 years old. The money you make largely depends on your car's value and how often you're comfortable renting it out. If your vehicle falls within the $10,000 to $30,000 range, you could be looking at a few $1,000s to over $15,000 per year, depending on the car and your level of enthusiasm for renting it out. This side hustle isn't a rocket to wealth, but it's an easy entry point with room to grow. It gets a 4 out of 10 on our money scale. Next up is selling Squarespace templates on Etsy, our third side hustle. Traditionally, I've been all about selling templates for WordPress using the Elementor page builder. However, if I were starting from scratch today, I'd chase a more popular and lucrative option: Squarespace templates. Squarespace templates are currently a hot item on Etsy, selling at higher prices. You can create unique designs using Squarespace as your foundation. This side hustle welcomes anyone willing to learn and offers an excellent opportunity for passive income. It's scalable and can genuinely change your financial situation. On our money scale, it deserves a solid 6 out of 10. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Our fourth side hustle is real estate photography, and boy, it's more profitable than you might think. The goal here is to make properties look as attractive as possible in photos. The right camera angles, lenses, and lighting can turn ordinary properties into drool-worthy listings. You don't need to be a photography guru. There's a wealth of resources, including YouTube tutorials, to sharpen your skills. To start, build a portfolio by practicing on various properties. Connect with real estate agents, and once you've got your foot in the door, referrals will start rolling in. For residential real estate property, the pay averages between $150 and $300 per hour. Commercial real estate photographers can make even more, averaging between $400 and $500 per hour. With the possibility of taking on multiple properties in a day, this side hustle can be incredibly lucrative. It's a strong 7 out of 10 on our money scale. Selling used books online is our fifth side hustle, and it's a tried and true method for making money. Books can be purchased for pennies at thrift stores or garage sales and resold online for a hefty profit. To get started, Sign up for an Amazon Seller Central account and grab the Amazon Seller app. You'll scan the books to identify their resale potential. With hundreds of books sold monthly, you could easily pull in between $3,000 and $10,000 per month. Scaling it further could lead to a six-figure income. This side hustle is accessible and financially rewarding, earning a well-deserved 8 out of 10 on the money scale. The sixth side hustle is dropshipping, a popular online retail business model. Dropshippers set up websites and sell products they don't keep in stock. They buy the product from a supplier only after making a sale and receiving payment from the customer. This side hustle is extremely cost-effective with minimal upfront expenses, and you can run it from your computer or smartphone. Success largely hinges on marketing the products effectively and presenting them as high-end and desirable. Dropshipping has the potential to scale into a multi-billion-dollar business. It's a competitive field, but with commitment and time, you can make substantial money. It's a perfect 10 out of 10 on our money scale. Now, let me go through each side hustle from this video and rate them all. Rev.com. Transcription. 3 out of 10. It's a decent entry point for remote work, but the earnings might not be substantial in the beginning. Getaround. Car rental. 4 out of 10. Renting out your car can generate a reasonable side income, but it has its limitations. Selling Squarespace templates on Etsy. 6 out of 10. This side hustle provides opportunities for scalable income, especially when working with high-demand Squarespace templates. Real estate photography. 7 out of 10. A rewarding side gig, offering the potential to earn well above average with the right skills and networking. Selling used books on Amazon. 8 out of 10. A tried-and-true method with the potential for significant income growth, especially if you're dedicated and scale the business. Dropshipping. 10 out of 10. This business model can be incredibly profitable with the potential for substantial revenue if you're dedicated and effectively market your products. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!